Students, good afternoon. Today we'll start with the chapter number 12, equation in one variable. Let's recall what we just the points I'm reading here, what we have done in the previous classes. The value of the variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of the equation. Solving an equation means to find the solution of the equation. Point 3. The equation obtained by performing the same operation on both its sides does not change its solution. So using this property, we obtain new but simpler equation and solve the given equation. The operation done on both the sides of equation are to add the same number to both sides, to subtract the same number from both sides, to multiply both sides by the same number, to divide both sides by the same number, non-zero number. The number should not be zero when we are dividing the number. That means we have, when the four operation we have to do: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division to solve a equation, to find the value of the variable. So we'll start with the exercise, practice set, exercise 12.1. In the first question, it is given here, in each equation is followed by the values of the variable, decide whether these values are the solution of that equation or not. The values are given in front of each and every equation, and just we have to find it that it's a solution or not, it satisfies the given condition or not, equation or not. So the first sum I'm solving here, x minus 4 equal to 3. The value of x is given to you, minus 1, 7 and minus 7. The three values are given to you. Now we have to just check it that these three values, which of the three values satisfy this condition. So here we will start with the first one. X minus 4 is equal to 3. The first value we will take. The first value, what is let? X is equal to minus 1. Yes, substitute x is equal to minus 1. When you take x as a minus 1, left hand side, in place of x we have to write minus 1. Minus 1 minus 4. Minus 1 minus 4 is how much? Minus 5. That means your right hand side is 3 and your left hand side, what you got? Minus 5. Left hand side, what you got? The left hand side. This is the left hand side. The left hand side you got minus 5 and the right hand side is what? 3. That means left hand side not equal to right hand side. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not a solution. Is not a solution. Now we will take the second value. Second, what is the value of x? Substitute or let second x is equal let x is equal to 7. Left hand side, in place of x we will write 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4 is how much? 3. Right hand side is also 3. Right hand side is 3. That is left hand side equal to right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side is same, we got it. Therefore what we got? Therefore x is equal to 7 is a solution. Is a solution. Now for the third value, we have to check for the third value also. Third, x is equal to, let x is equal to minus 7. Left hand side, in place of x we will write minus 7, that is minus 7 minus 4. Minus 7 minus 4 is how much? Minus 11. Right hand side is what? 3. That means left hand side not equal to right hand side. That means left hand side and right hand side we didn't got same number. Therefore x is equal to minus 7 is not a solution. I hope all of you understood the first sum. Now we'll go for the second sum. Question number 2. What is given here? 9m is equal to 81. The value of m is given to you. M is equal to 3. 9 minus 3. The same we have to start. The first we'll start with 9m is equal to 81. That means the first value we will take. Let m is equal to 3. M is equal to 3. Now left hand side. What is the left hand side? 9m. That is in place of m, what you are going to write? The value of m, what you have taken? 3. 9 3s are 27. And right hand side is how much? 81. Right hand side is equal to 81. Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m is equal to 3 is not a solution. Not a solution. Now for the second, let m is equal to 9. Second value we will take m is equal to 9. Left hand side 9m. M is how much? 9. 9 9s are 81. Your right hand side is how much? Is 81. Left hand side and right hand side we got it same. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side we got it same. Therefore, m is equal to 9 is a solution. Now for the third value, m is equal, we'll take let m is equal to minus 3. We'll take let m is equal to minus 3. Now left hand side is equal to 9 into minus 3. Whenever 2 sign comes, always put a small bracket. That is 9 into minus 3 is or minus 27. Your right hand side is 81. That means left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore, m is equal to minus 3 is not a solution. I hope all of you understood the second sum. Now we'll go for the third sum. We'll start with the third sum. 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. The three values of a will be given to you. The value of a is 2, minus 2 and 1. From these three values we have to just check which is the solution of this equation. Is it clear? Now we'll start with 2a plus 4 is equal to 0. We'll take the first value. Let a is equal to 2. Just we have to check the three values of a is given to you. Just we have to substitute in place in this place of a in this equation, and if the left hand side we are getting it 0, that will be the solution of that equation. So here let a is equal to 2, we have taken left hand side. What is the left hand side? This is your left hand side, that is 2a. 2a means 2 into a, that is a is how much? 2 plus 4. 2 2s are 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. That means right hand side is what? Your right hand side is what? 0. Left hand side, what? How much you got? 8. Right hand side is what? 0. That means left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore, a is equal to 2 is not a solution. Now we'll go for the second value. Let A is equal to minus 2. Let A is equal to minus 2. Left hand side 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 2 2s are 4, minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4 is what? 0. Right hand side is what? 0. Left hand side is what? What we got? 0, and the right hand side is also 0. That means left hand side equal to right hand side. We got the solution. Therefore, A is equal to minus 2 is a solution. When left hand side and right hand side is equal, that time that value is a solution of that equation. Now we'll check for the third one. Third, let A is equal to 1. Left hand side 2 into 1 plus 4. 2 ones are 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. Right hand side is what? 0. That means left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore, A is equal to 1 is not a solution. I hope all of you understood the threesome. Now we'll go for the last question of the question number 1. There are 2 questions in exercise 12.1. In first question there are 4 questions are there. So question number 1, threesome we had completed. I hope you all understood the threesome. Now we'll go for the fourth one. Now question number 4. 3 minus y is equal to 4. And the value of y is given to you minus 1, 1, 2. Okay, now first we'll start with the question. Just I will write 3 minus y is equal to 4. Let first value we'll take, let y is equal to, we will take the first value, that is minus 1. 3 minus, in the place of y, the y we are taking, sorry, left hand side will start with. Left hand side is what? 3 minus y. 3 minus y. Y, the value of y is how much? Minus 1. The value of y is how much? Minus 1. 3 minus minus become plus 1. 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. Your right hand side is also 4. That is left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, y is equal to minus 1 is a solution. Now we'll check with the second value. Y is equal to 1 we will take. Let y is equal to 1. Let y is equal to 1. Left hand side equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is how much? 2. Right hand side is how much? 4. Left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore, y is equal to 1 is not a solution. We'll go for the third value. Let y is equal to 2. Let y is equal to 2. Left hand side 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is how much? 1. Right hand side is what? 4. That is left hand side not equal to right hand side. Therefore, y is equal to 2 is not a solution. I hope all of you understood the foursome, the first foursome of the question number 1. Values are given to you. From the values, just you have to substitute in the equation, and if the left hand side and the right hand side is same, that means it is a solution, and if left hand side and right hand side is not equal, that means it is not a solution. So now we'll start with the question number 2. In question number 2, we have to find the value of the variable. That means solve the following equation. We have to find the solution of the variable. The first sum I am starting. 17p minus 2 is equal to 49. We have to find the value of this p. So whatever the terms are here along with the p, that all you have to get it on the right hand side. Is it clear? That means first of all this minus 2, ये minus 2 वहाँ जाएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Whenever any number equal to है, तो whenever we take any number to that side, equal to that side or bring this side, you have to change the sign. That means 17p equal to, this minus will go that side, it will become plus 2. That is 17p equal to 49 plus 2 is how much? 51. Now here p, 17 into p, opposite, into opposite here divide, that means 17 will go down, that is 51 divided by 17. This 17 will come down below the 51. Now 17 ones are, 17 threes are. The value of p, you are going to get it 3. I hope all of you understood the first sum. Now we'll go for the second sum.
We have the fourth.
2m plus 7 is equal to 9. The same process. 2m, this plus 7 is there, that will go on the other side. That means you will become, plus will become minus 7. 2m, 9 minus 7 is how much? 2. M is equal to 2. This 2 will come down below the 2. 2 to get cancelled. The value of m, you are going to get it 1. I hope you are understanding the equation. This all we had done in the 7th standard. The same continuity is there. Now we'll go for the third sum. Question number 3. 3x plus 12 equal to 2x minus 4. Your variable is on both the sides. So what we will do, we will bring the variable on one side and the integers on the other side. That means without variable, that is your integers, that we will bring on the other side, and the variable on one side. That means 3x, and this 2x is here. We will bring on this side. When you bring in this side, you have to change the sign. जब कुछ भी sign नहीं है तो plus है, मतलब plus यहाँ आएगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 2x. And here what is this? Minus 4. This plus 12 is there. We will go on the other side. When you go on the other side, plus 12 will become minus 12. So 3 minus 2 is on x, and minus, both are minus. Always remember, when both are minus, you have to add it and always put the sign of a greater number. That is 4 plus 12 is how much? 16. And the greater number is 12, the sign is what? Minus. That means minus 16 you are going to get. The value of x. How much you got? Minus 16. I hope all of you understood the third one. Now we'll go for the fourth sum. Here first of all you have to open the bracket. The bracket opening you have to do. Just open the bracket. 5 into x, 5x, 5 3s are 15, 3 into x, 3x, 3 2s are 6. I hope all of you understood. We had just opened the bracket and now it has become the previous sum. What we had done in the third sum, bring the variable on one side and integer on the other side. So 3x यहाँ आ जाएगा तो what will become 3x, and it come here, it will become minus 6. And the 15 is there, minus 15 is there, it will go on the other side, it will become plus 15. I hope all of you understood it here. 5 minus 3 is how much? 2x, and 6 plus 15 is how much? 21. That means the value of x, this 2 will come down, 21 upon 2. We cannot cancel it, so we have to leave that much only. So the value of x you are going to get 21 upon 2. So we will stop here only. We had just completed question number 1, 4 sum we had done, and from the question number 2 also I had completed 4 sums. The remaining from question number 5 we will continue in the next lecture. I hope all of whatever we had done today, I hope you will understand. You all have understood this much.